Hey there, it's Kevin from Product Design Online, and today I want to show you how to import or upload files into Fusion 360. So to get started, you'll want to click on the Data Panel icon there in the upper left-hand corner. Then you'll want to select or create a new project folder. Once you're in a folder, you'll see there's a blue upload button, and when you select that, you'll be given the choice to select or drag and drop your file right onto the screen. So if I go ahead and select a file and hit upload, it will upload the file or import it directly into your project folder. Now check out the description and comments section of this video where I've added a complete list of files that Fusion 360 accepts. Once your file has uploaded completely, all you have to do is double click on it and it'll open up in a new tab and you're all set and ready to go. If you learned something in this video, be sure to subscribe and check out Product Design Online for more resources.